Hey everybody, it's Robin here, and I think it's time to go walk around in the Bosque and look at the fall colors. Let's go. Everything is starting to turn in the Bosque now. We're not at peak, we're just at the beginning. Some yellow, some green. There's a nice view of the Sandia Mountains in the background. This is beautiful. Just beautiful. I love the Bosque because of all the gnarly, twisted old cottonwood trees. But fall in the Bosque, it's just magic. Absolute magic. Should I go back now? Nah, let's keep going. That tree is split in half and it's still alive. Oh. Here comes some geese. The Bosque here is full of a lot of year-round residents, such as foxes, coyotes, rabbits, and porcupines. It's hard to find the porcupines in the trees when they're covered with leaves like this, but in the wintertime, you can always find at least one or two hanging up in the tops of the trees. So anytime you're out here, you have to watch where you're walking because there's rattlesnakes, and look up to see what's in the trees. You never know what you're going to find. Well, I've been hiking for about a mile now. It has been absolutely beautiful. I think I will turn around and head back to the car. Hope you enjoyed this adventure in the Bosque. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Really does help me know what you'd like and what to continue doing. And I'd love to hear your comments. And as I always say, get out there and hug a tree. Bye.